Yung sinabi ko pong the oil companies are raking 3 billion pesos per day. Nandun po yung DOE. I was expecting the DOE to check. Ang DepDep po, ang aming anticipation, at the very least, kasi po, 2 weeks after the war broke out in the Middle East, 2 weeks lang po, the prices of diesel lang po to, increased from 55 to 125, or an increase of 70 pesos. That's 127%. DOE was unable to explain it. The oil companies present are not willing to explain it. Why? DepDep cannot even look at it. Ang sinasabi ko po, kayo ang national economic architect. Kayo po dapat ang nakakaalam. You are in a position to view the economy as a whole. Kami po sa legislative lang po kami. Hirap din kami. But you have the power, you have the mandate to look at it from a better point of view.